Hi everybody, good morning. We're going to go over what we have going on for next week. So you only have school on Monday and Tuesday. Wednesday is a teacher planning day. So you're going to notice that your one activity that we're asking you to do is not going to be due until Wednesday night. There was a little confusion last week. I was trying to give you Monday through Friday to work on your assignments. That's why I set most of the due dates for Friday at midnight. But some students did reach out to me and they were under the impression that those assignments were all left for Friday, so to be done all on the same time. Well, because you have this virtual block schedule, what I'm really trying to do is to provide you with everything up front on Monday. I hope you don't find that it's too overwhelming. And then I'm trying to give you the entire amount of days we have that week so you can decide when you want to complete all of your work. So if you're going to take a look for me right here, you can see that we've got our online learning plan. And then what's going to happen is that I'm just going to roll out the new week at the top, but you're also going to be able to see down here at the bottom, that's our information that's going to be left over from the previous week. So what we've got going on for this next week on Monday and Tuesday are kind of in line with what we've been doing. On your work that you did last week, I know there was a little trouble with using Chrome and trying to get some of those things to open, and Firefox also gave some of you problems, and I'll definitely take that into account when I do your grades for that. I also will try to make sure moving forward that we're not really having those technology problems again. I think everybody knows by now last week was kind of a little bit overwhelming. So here's what we have for this week. So we're going to start out, please take a look at this video. And then also what I would encourage you to do is take this and go file, make a copy, and organize that on your Google Drive. That's going to allow you to be able to see what's going on for this class. I would also encourage you to do that for your other classes if you can. So if we do have a problem with Schoology and you get locked out, you'll still know what you have coming up for the week and what you could maybe work on when you're offline. One of the other things that I implemented this week here in the second bullet is to try to make sure that everybody is seeing this plan. We have a 5 little quiz kind of activity, 5 points, and I'm just trying to make sure that everybody's going to see this on Monday. I do realize that with your even and odd days, you might be shocked that you have an assignment on Monday. But if I'm going to roll out your plan for each week, I want to make sure that you can see what you've got for every single day on the very first day of the week. So that should probably just take you about 4 minutes to get that done. Also, what we have for you, if you would like to join us, on Tuesday at 11 o'clock, from 11 to 11:20, we're going to have a Zoom session. We hope you can join us. We're going to have a discussion question about savings and Americans and having a $400 savings fund and that kind of thing. So I hope you can join us. It'll only be about 20 minutes, but it is optional. And then lastly, we do have an activity, and it's called our Savings Comparison Activity in Schoology. It is not due until Wednesday at midnight. But if you want to get started on it on Monday and break it down, you're more than welcome to do that as well. Other than that, I just want to pop over here real quick to our Schoology class. And when we come in here, what you can see for us real fast, let me move this up a little bit, is that at the top each week, you're going to see a folder that's going to have our entire week and everything right in there. I'm going to go ahead and select that. And then you're going to be able to see in here at the top, this is just going to be a Google Doc for you with the same information that I just showed you. We're going to ask you to take this quick little quiz so we make sure everybody reads it right here. And here is your activity for the week. Please reach out to me if you have any questions. I hope you guys are starting to get the hang of this, as all of us are too. And I hope you have a fantastic week.